This week here at Car Care Kiosk, we've been working on a Honda Accord, and we thought we'd give you a preview of a few of the repairs on this vehicle. First up, let's show you how to change the cabin air filter. Open the glove box to begin. Disengage the right side dampening arm. Squeeze the sides of the glove box together, then lower the glove box housing. You can reach up here for the cover. Pinch the tabs and pull off the access cover. You can remove your air filter. Next, we're going to show you how to pull out and disconnect the taillight housing. Open the trunk to begin. Remove this black panel. Take off the two 8mm bolts that secure the housing. Pull the bulb housing away from the vehicle. Disconnect the housing to remove it. Disengage the wiring by prying it up. Press the tab and pull the connector out. Press the tab on the second connector and pull it out. Now you can replace your housing. And finally, if you're looking to change your oil, we can show you where the oil drain plug and oil filter are. Disengage 4 fasteners on the perimeter of the panel. Turn the fasteners a quarter turn and then pry them out. Then, remove 4 Phillips head screws, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Slide the panel, then pull it down. Reach up here for the oil drain plug. Use a 17mm socket on this plug. Reach up here for the oil filter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more repair videos just like this for this vehicle and more in-depth repair videos, please visit carcarekiosk.com.